In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to download movies or series or any videos on Netflix to your phone in 2025. Now this works for Android and Apple devices, but I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android device. So let me grab my phone and show you how this is done. So once you have your phone, the first thing to do is download the application from Google Play or the App Store, whatever phone you're using. After you download it, you need to go ahead and sign up for Netflix. Sign up using your email address and your phone number, and then subscribe for maybe a monthly plan or a yearly plan or whatever it is in your region that is available. All right. Once you sign up, you log in. After you log in, create your profile, and then you could just search for the video you want to go ahead and download. So for instance, if you want to download a video or a movie, just click on that option and then you get to the page, and here you're going to get an option to download the movie or the series or video to your phone. So if you click on download, within few seconds or minutes, this is going to get downloaded to your phone. Now the speed for download depends on your internet connection. If you have a high speed Wi-Fi, it's going to download within a minute or two. But if you have a slow network, if you're using your mobile phone network, it is going to take some time to download. You have to complete watching the video within 48 hours. All right, if you're offline. But if you're online, you could watch the video anytime, no problem. But if you download and keep it in your library, it's going to remain there for 30 days. After 30 days, it is going to expire, or it is going to be removed from your downloads library. So this is the legal way to download videos from Netflix and watch it even if you do not have a proper internet connection. Even if you're offline, you could get to the application and go to the downloads folder and view the videos later on. And this is like having the actual movie on your phone itself. It's just that you need to use the Netflix application. I hope this helps, and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.